In this video, we're going to talk about the genetics of cell differentiation. So we know that all cells of an organism contain the same DNA. And here we have the minor exception of red blood cells, but that's because they don't have a nucleus. However, even though all cells have the same DNA, we also know that all cells do not look or act the same. And this is because through the development, cells become specialized. When cells become specialized, parts of the DNA are turned off or deactivated. One common method that this is done is to have DNA methylation. And that's just where a functional group called a methyl group is going to attach to that gene, and it'll just block it from being activated. So now let's see how these cells become specialized. So we start as a zygote, that's our fertilized egg sperm, which is a totipotent cell. Looking into the meaning of totipotent, that means it has the ability to become any body cell. So our zygote is going to divide into stem cells. So there can be many divisions between that zygote and the stem cells. So once we have stem cells, I have an example of epithelial stem cells here. They're going to make various types of cells. So an epithelial stem cell is going to make various types of skin cells. So that could be skin on your body, or it could be like the lining of the stomach. There are lots of different boundaries which are epithelial cells. So when we think about that, those cells can become many things, those stem cells, but they can't be everything. We call that pluripotent, or pluripotent. And they're going to make some different types. But they cannot make all types. And once the stem cell divides and creates all these different types of cells, we call those specialized cells. So we could say stomach epithelial cells, so like cells in the lining of your stomach, they can only make more of themselves, like through mitosis. So they can only make one type. So therefore they're specialized. So this is kind of our path, getting from our zygote all the way to our specialized cells or specific cells.